Hey guys, I'm Amanda Ray. I drive a 2010 Camaro SS, and I also daily a 03 Toyota Tacoma. I call her Old Betsy. And I've been doing a lot of work to the Camaro lately, getting it updated and doing a lot of motor work and cosmetic work and stuff like that. Just came across my mind to start recording and, you know, making progress pictures and stuff like that. So today I'm going to be taking off the rear bumper because I'm choosing not to run the Rossi diffuser anymore. Just had a lot of complications with it, so I'm just going to be taking it off today. The diffuser's already off, so I'm just going to be taking off the bumper really. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Shit. Okay, that sucked. you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. I'll be putting her back together soon. This is the front end of her. She was very well apart right now, and she's motorless. Very sad. Right there. So, just an empty block right now. So, eventually I'll get the motor back. Hopefully by the end of June. We shall see. And we'll go from there. Thanks for watching, guys.